Hi everyone, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving with her family and friends. And so I figured tonight we do an unboxing from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. And I got this one today and I was so excited. So I said, I gotta do a video, I gotta do an unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Okay, so let's just turn it around. It's so beautiful, guys. Here's a picture. And it's called Glowing Fireflies. Look how beautiful the colors. I like that she actually sent a sticker, so this could actually go in your logbook. It also has an inventory sheet and another sticker sheet, okay, with the individual stickers. All right, so we're gonna go back to that. Actually, no, we can go straight to that. Right now, actually, she has where you buy 3 paintings, you get 1 for free. And if you buy 4, you get 2 for free. And if you buy 6, you can get 3 for free. All right. And yeah, so like I mentioned before, so you have 2 pictures here for your logbook, actually 3. And this comes with individual pre-cut stickers, because you can actually put these in your containers. All right. So let's put that aside. Now it's a 65 by 65 centimeters, but that's actually the whole canvas. But it's actually 60 by 60, the painting itself. All right, and I did select a round. So yeah, the other thing before I forget, you can select the canvas size, which she offers. This one came in 60 by 60 or 70 by 70 centimeters. You could actually also select the drill type, which is round or square. So I selected the round. And you could also select extra drills. So you can select 3 ABs plus 2 shimmer drills, or 5 ABs, or 5 shimmer drills, or none. Just leave it the way it is. And I believe I selected 5 ABs because of all the beautiful fireflies. I wanted to see them shine. Okay, by looking at the inventory sheet, like I said, it is a round. It comes with 5 ABs. And by the way, the artist is called Lavan Ghost. She has beautiful paintings. Let's look at this very quickly. So you have 1 through 60. So basically it's 60 colors. These are the symbols. So it's going to be 1 through 9. And then you have letters, uppercase, and I believe some lowercase, and then the rest are just symbols. This, where it says color, that's the DMC code. And then original quantity, actual quantity, and the weight, and 1 bag for each color, except for this one here, which is 820, and you have 2 bags in that one. Another one here with 2 bags, 939, and the rest are just 1 bags. Okay. Now let's look at the kit. Let's see what we have here. And if you hear little bells, guys, that is Bella running up and down the stairs. She's very happy. I just fed her. So yeah, she's very happy right now. Okay, comes with a tray. It comes with a pen. It comes with a comfort grip. You can slide this, and then you can use this. It's supposed to help with your diamond painting, especially if you suffer from arthritis. So here you have, I believe this is a 3 drill. You can pick up 3 at a time. And here's a single placer. And then you have another one. I think this is a 7 or a 6. You have some purple tweezers, so be very careful. They're very sharp. You have also some blue wax and some baggies, just in case you are traveling and you do not have containers. You can actually use those if you like. All right, so these are the drills. Now what I like is that they come actually in individual bags. So if you do not like to kit up, you could actually leave them in the baggies. All right, so I'm just gonna show you the beautiful colors. It's gonna have lots of blues, of course, purples, lots of blues. And of course, these are the special drills. There are going to be 5 of them. So we will look at that. I'm going to put that aside. And let's look at the painting. Now, the canvas, it's a high quality silk flocking canvas with poured glue. Okay. And let's turn this baby. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful she is. Love, love the colors. Okay, let's very quickly. Over here, you have their logo, Rhinestone Goddess Creations. And then you have two legends. One legend on the left upper side, and then another legend on the lower right-hand side. And then down here on the left-hand side, you have a picture. And it says Glowing Fireflies by Lavan Ghost. It's 65 by 65 centimeters, which is the whole canvas, but it's really 60 by 60 centimeters. And it's by Rhinestone Goddess Creation. And then in the middle, you have again where you can find them, rhinestonegoddesscreations.com. And yeah, so let's look at this beautiful painting. As you can see, the background, well, let me look at the picture because this is going to help me a little better. I love that she puts this in here. So as you can see, the sky, wow, it's beautiful blues and light blues. And then you have lots of, I believe those could be, some might be stars, but the bigger ones, I think those are the fireflies. And then she has this beautiful long hair. It's braided. And she has this beautiful flower up here on her head. Beautiful, beautiful face. She has this blue dress off the shoulders. And look at her hands. Her hands are very clear. And then she has this big jar that she's holding, and that's where she has the fireflies. So that I'm not sure if she's letting them go or she's catching them. I think she's probably letting them go. And then some mountains, like a valley, and more plants down here, fireflies, and of course, let's not forget the beautiful wings. You guys know I love fairies. So this is a beautiful fairy holding a jar of fireflies and letting them go. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. This has a little bit of confetti, actually more confetti than color blocking. Confetti, especially in the jar, means that you're gonna have to change the colors a lot. And color blocking, mostly like some down here on her dress. So you're gonna, same color. And over here also in the sky, some color blocking, some, but mostly confetti. So if you like confetti, this is the painting for you. I love confetti. I prefer confetti over color blocking. Okay, just peeling, oh, not peeling, just, well, yeah, peeling back the plastic. I wish the plastic was a little thicker, but it doesn't bother me because I usually just peel the plastic and put release paper. Yeah, so let me just bring her up so you can see. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Look at the flower on her head. Look at that face. The sky. The jar. Her hands. And of course, her beautiful dress and her wings. Okay, absolutely love this one. Okay, now I'm going to turn it around. Now, before I forget, she is doing a upgrading her drills. So the next painting that I ordered, that one will have the upgrade drills. Okay, so I'm excited about that. All right, so let's just take out the 5 ABs. I'm hoping, I told my mom to keep the TV very low while I do the video, but you know. Let's see if she listens. Sometimes she doesn't, but it's okay. All right, let's see. So those are the 5 ABs. Okay. And by the way, the drills are resin. So here you have 5 of them. And this one is, let's see, let me look at the, this will help, the sticker sheet. So this one is 56, and this one's 208. Oops, 208 AB. Very, very pretty purple. And I'm going to bring the light a little closer. Hopefully that will help. Let's see. Yeah. So very, very pretty purple. Okay, and then this one is 209 AB. And by the way, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. which means it's a drill with an extra shine. Both are purple, but one is darker than the other. This one is AB 775. Very pretty. Look at that. This is like a very light turquoise. And this one is 798 AB. Very pretty blue. Wow. The drill looks blue, but it also has like a little purple in it, which is nice. And then this one is 3756 AB. That looks like an off-white. All right, so now we're gonna turn the painting and we're gonna see where these ABs go. Where do you think these ABs go, guys? I don't know, we will see. All right, and Bella is here and she's being a very good girl. Okay, let's see, 56. It's, looks like a swirl. All right, let's see. I'm gonna looking for the purples, wherever I see purple. Okay, there's right there, some on the flower, over here on her flower, a little bit here. Oops, wait, the glare, sorry about that. So it's gonna be on her flower, a little bit here on the flower, and a little bit over here. And then some over here on the sky. Looks like the sun is going down. It's beautiful. Okay, so you have some there. Just a little bit here, like a couple here, down here, and some down here. All where there's like little tint of purple. All right. And then this one is the other purple. This is a lighter purple, and this is a musical note. So let's see. We're looking again. Okay, again, it's going to be wherever the lighter purple is, right there. Some over here. It's going to be also on the sky. Wow, that's going to be so pretty, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put those aside. The next one is this one, 58. This looks like a cross. Let's see. So it's a light blue. Blue, is it on the wings? Yeah, you have it. You have some on the wings, guys. So some on the wings, some up here on her hair, like around her head. Let's see, how on the sky? Yep. Oh, actually, you know what? It's here. I don't know if those are fireflies right there, or if those are the stars right here. I think those are fireflies. Bella, baby, what are you doing? You're a good girl. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's good. All right, then the next one is lowercase e. And I believe, let's see, I think it's going to be in the sky. What do you think? Let's see. Yep, right here. It's all around here. Wait, all around here, the sky. All around her head. All around here. Let's see. Yeah, all over here, the valley. Wow, this is going to be so beautiful. I think those are mountains. I'm not sure. Excuse me. And down here on her dress, like around her arm. Okay, and then the last one is, looks like a V. And I believe it's probably on her wings. What do you think? Or maybe on the oh no, it's in the jar. It's going to be where the fireflies are. And some over here. Some over here. And around her hair again. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I think the placement of the ABs is perfect. Because you don't want to overdo it. You want the ABs, the shine to be where it's in the jar. Wherever you see all this white on her hair, around her, on her wings, and of course on the fireflies. Absolutely beautiful, this painting, guys. I cannot wait to work on it. Yeah, so go check them out. She has absolutely beautiful paintings, and I'm almost finished. Well, not almost, because I'm currently working on 3 paintings. I'm trying to finish the one that I'm working on, Adeline and Marmalade. And yeah, so hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye, and thank you.